Have you ever wondered why Rolls-Royce cars are so expensive? In the world of automobiles, Rolls-Royce stands as a beacon of luxury, elegance and sophistication. The brand itself is synonymous with the highest echelons of wealth and status. But what is it that makes these cars command such an astronomical price tag? Rolls-Royce is not just a car manufacturer. It's a legacy, a testament to more than a century of automotive excellence and an embodiment of the British craftsmanship. Founded in the early 20th century, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of luxury and performance. Even in its infancy, Rolls-Royce was a trendsetter, a pioneer, a symbol of prestige. Their attention to detail, commitment to quality, and relentless pursuit of perfection have set them apart from the rest. Each vehicle is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted and tailored to meet the highest standards of luxury. This unyielding commitment to quality is a cornerstone of the Rolls-Royce brand, and it's woven into the fabric of every vehicle that leaves their factory. The brand's reputation for excellence wasn't built overnight. It's the result of decades of innovation, refinement, and dedication to the art of automotive design. This reputation has led Rolls-Royce to become an emblem of wealth and status. To own a Rolls-Royce is to make a statement. It's to announce to the world that you've arrived, that you're a connoisseur of luxury and elegance, and that you accept nothing but the best. This perception of Rolls-Royce as the epitome of luxury doesn't come cheap. It's the fruit of countless hours of labor, of a relentless commitment to perfection, and of a brand that has spent over a century establishing itself as a symbol of wealth and status. So when you ask why Rolls-Royce cars are so expensive, you're not just asking about a price tag. You're asking about a legacy, a symbol, and a statement. You're asking about the price of elegance, of sophistication, and of luxury. So the reputation of Rolls-Royce as a status symbol and its history as a luxury brand are key factors in its high price tag. But it's not just about the brand's reputation and history. The manufacturing process of a Rolls-Royce is no ordinary task. To understand why a Rolls-Royce car commands such a premium, let's step into the world where these magnificent machines take shape. The process begins with a bare metal frame, but this is no standard assembly line. Each vehicle is meticulously handcrafted, a process that can take several months to complete. Imagine this. Instead of a factory filled with the hum of machines, you find artisans, craftsmen and women carefully assembling each part of the car. There's a certain poetry to it, the way each component, each stitch, each piece of veneer is carefully placed. It's a symphony of precision, a ballet of craftsmanship. Every single Rolls-Royce car is a testament to human ingenuity and perfection. Now let's talk about materials. When crafting a Rolls-Royce, nothing but the best will do. The leather is sourced from high-altitude regions where mosquitoes are a rarity, ensuring the hide is blemish-free. Each piece of veneer is hand-picked, ensuring consistency in grain and colour. The paint job, well, it's a work of art in itself, with multiple layers meticulously applied and polished to a mirror finish. And then there's the famous spirit of ecstasy, the lady that adorns every Rolls-Royce bonnet. Each one is hand-polished to perfection, a symbol of the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. But the real magic lies in the details. The clock, the switches, the buttons, all are crafted with an almost obsessive attention to detail. It's this commitment to perfection, this refusal to compromise that makes each Rolls-Royce not just a car, but a piece of art. In essence, the Rolls-Royce isn't just built, it's crafted by the hands of hundreds of skilled artisans using the finest materials available. And it's this painstaking process, the time, the effort, the skill, and the materials that go into each car that contribute to its hefty price tag. Each Rolls-Royce car is a masterpiece, crafted with meticulous attention to detail and high-quality materials, justifying its hefty price tag. Adding to the cost of a Rolls-Royce is the power of customization. This isn't your run-of-the-mill, pick a color, choose the upholstery kind of customization. Oh no, this is Rolls-Royce we're talking about. When they say customization, they mean a comprehensive, personalized design experience that is as unique as the person who commissions it. Now imagine walking into a showroom and being greeted by a personal design consultant. whose sole purpose is to understand your vision and translate it into your dream car. They take note of your favorite colors, textures and materials, your personal style, even your quirks. This level of personal attention is what sets Rolls-Royce apart, and it doesn't stop there. Once the design phase is complete, the magic truly begins. The craftsmen and women at Rolls-Royce start on a journey to bring your vision to life. Every stitch, every panel, every tiny detail is meticulously handcrafted to match your exact specifications. Do you fancy a starlit roof that mirrors the night sky over your hometown on the date of your birth? They can do that. Or perhaps you'd like the wood veneer to come from a tree on your family estate. Consider it done. There's no request too extravagant or detail too small. But with such a high level of customization comes a significant increase in cost. After all, this isn't just about purchasing a car. This is about creating a masterpiece, a one-of-a-kind expression of your personality and style. It's about owning a piece of art that is as unique as you are. And let's not forget the time it takes. It's not uncommon for a customized Rolls-Royce to take up to a year to complete. That's 12 months of careful design, crafting and testing to ensure that every aspect of your dream car is perfect. So, while the price tag may be steep, remember, with Rolls-Royce, you're not just buying a car. You're commissioning a work of art, a personal statement that speaks volumes about who you are and what you value. The ability to customize your Rolls-Royce to your exact specifications is a luxury that comes at a price. Yet, owning a Rolls-Royce is not just about the car, it's about the entire Rolls-Royce experience. It's a journey, an adventure, a membership into an exclusive club where you're not just a customer but a cherished guest. Let's talk about customer service. The kind where you're not simply another number in the queue, but a person of importance, a person who commands attention. The kind where the service is so exceptional, it's almost as if you have a personal relationship with the staff. When you buy a Rolls-Royce, you're buying an experience that starts from the moment you walk into the showroom, where you are greeted by the pleasant aroma of rich leather and the subtle shimmer of hand-polished wood veneers. The staff there know you by name, remember your preferences, and are always ready to cater to your needs. The journey continues post-purchase. You're not left alone once you drive off in your gleaming new Rolls-Royce. No, the experience is just beginning. The company provides top-notch after-sales support. From maintenance to repairs, each and every service is executed with the same meticulous care and precision that goes into building the car itself. This exceptional level of service doesn't just extend to the car, but to the owner as well. Whether it's a question about the car's features, a need for technical support, or a request for a special customization, Rolls-Royce is there for you. They understand that owning a Rolls-Royce is a significant investment, and they ensure that you're getting the most out of it. And it's not just about fixing problems. The Rolls-Royce experience is about going the extra mile, about providing a level of care and attention that is rare in today's world. It's about making you feel special, valued, and appreciated. So, when you consider the price tag of a Rolls-Royce, remember that you're not just paying for a car, you're paying for an experience, a journey, a level of service that is unparalleled. The exceptional customer service and after-sales support that Rolls-Royce provides are part of what you're paying for when you purchase one of their cars. So, why is a Rolls-Royce so expensive? This question has been at the heart of our journey today. We've looked at the brand's illustrious history, its reputation for elegance and sophistication that has stood the test of time. We've delved into the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each car, where perfection is the rule, not the exception. We've explored the high degree of customization, the endless possibilities that make every Rolls-Royce a unique expression of its owner's personality. And we've experienced the exceptional customer service, a personal touch that extends well beyond the purchase. All these elements come together to create more than just a car. A Rolls-Royce is a status symbol, a piece of art, a highly personalized product, and a luxury experience. In essence, when you buy a Rolls-Royce, you're not just buying a car. You're buying a status symbol, a piece of art, a highly personalized product, and a luxury experience. And that, my friends, is why Rolls-Royce cars carry such a hefty price tag.